Hey everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about coats, jackets, scarves, gloves, hats, all those winter clothes that you need to check on. But first, those of you that haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below here. And after you click that, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video and don't miss out on some great information. All right, so coats, scarves, jackets, and all the rest of the winter stuff. And you go, wait a minute, it's summer still. Why do I need to worry about that? Well, now is the good time to worry about it because now you have opportunity to get what you need before winter sets in. Now, one of the things you need to remember also, you need to keep extras in your car or truck. If you happen to have a redoubt, retreat, bug out location, cabin in the woods, whatever, you need to keep extra supplies up there as well. And you may want to keep an extra coat at the office just in case you get to the office and all of a sudden the weather turns bad while you're there and you need an extra coat for coming home. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. And stay prepared because you never know what's coming down the road. All right. See you around in the next video.